After riding through those icy roads yesterday and getting off early to stay at a Walmart, we were ready to leave the next day. Getting ready to leave Kerrville, Texas. Walmart. A few other RVs still here. As you can see, there's still ice on the trees. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. The roads look like they might be in good condition. We had a lot of ice come off of our toppers. Zippy's really pissed off right now. Wow, that's a lot of ice on Zippy. The wheel is frozen to the chalk. That's all the ice that came off the toppers on this side. Leroy did not want to start today. He was growling, but he did it. Look at all this ice. See how the tote's going to work here with the air. Go forward, come backwards. We don't know what this is all about, but this Jeep just ran into this post this morning for no apparent reason, because it's not that slippery in here. Kind of odd here at Walmart. Dave's defrosting the little mirror out front, which is a really important mirror because that helps us see anybody who's passing us and getting into the left lane. So far coming out of Walmart, the roads are clear. What's the temperature there, hon? 30. 30? Still got a lot of ice on the trees. We've gone over several bridges already. They look like they've been sanded. So far the roads are good. And not too many people on them.
Turn right on Texas 46.
Looks like Bernie didn't get hit with anything. Their trees aren't covered with ice or anything. The roads are very dry. To the spot on the lake. That's our fire ring there. That's our little picnic shelter area there with the grill. And then we've got Dixie and Zippy and Leroy all here in the same spot. Thought might have to put Leroy someplace else, but it's all good. And like no neighbors. There's a lake, pretty lake, nice view. Wish it was warmer. Well, the good news is the ice is melting. The bad news is it's going to stay cold here. Forecast at Canyon Lake, Texas, Saturday, 32, 29 light rain. Sunday, 33, 24 light rains. Monday, light snow, 21 and 9. Tuesday, scattered clouds, 25 and 3. Wednesday when we leave, light rain, 33 and 19. Oh my goodness.
Lord have mercy.
So Dave's going to fill our freshwater tank and go get more propane, aren't ya?
Oh, lotsy propane.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.